Hi, I'm Kristen Vordenberg and I'm on the Gordon women's soccer team.
I'm Emily Rodriguez and I'm also on the women's soccer team.
Krista and Emily, how do you feel about Saturday?
I feel that Saturday is going to be a really exciting day. I'm really looking forward to just the energy that's going to be brought from the fans that are coming, and just that we can finally take this opportunity to celebrate and work hard for a season that we fought really, really hard for.
I think we're all just super excited, and tomorrow is a moment that we've all been working really hard for and waiting for. So I think, especially with all the alum coming and family and friends, it'll be really special.
What are some challenges have you guys faced this season?
We're pretty perfect. We had a couple moments where there were some games that it took us a little bit longer to come out with some urgency. We're a team of like halftime adjustments. This team has been one of the easiest teams I've played on. We're just super committed and bought into who we are.
How did you guys stay motivated when you were down 1 at Endicott?
Honestly, I think that we really thrive under pressure. It's something where our team almost struggles to never be satisfied with what we're doing, and because of that fire that being down 1 gives us, it allows us to just work harder, give that much more. And although it can be challenging, our team is always looking to get better.
How do you deal with pressure of having to perform in front of the crowd?
I don't think we fall under pressure, especially with having a big crowd that's going to come out on Saturday. I think it'll just show how supported we are and how much people believe in us, and I think we thrive off of that.
What can you tell the fans that will be watching online and in person on Saturday?
You won't be disappointed.
Trademark.
Like, what is something like, what's that?
Thank you so much to the fans for being there for us. We've been hearing that there might even be some tailgating, some fun stuff before, and that's awesome.
What does this game mean for this team?
It's a loaded question, Roddy. I think Saturday is a game that we're playing for everyone but ourselves in a way.
I think that winning this game is so important to us because we're winning it for a lot of people. We're winning it for our teammates in the past that didn't get the opportunity to be here. We're winning it for the fans and the devoted parents that come and show up and support us every single game. We're winning it for so many people. And one more thing, our coach always says that playing is like worshiping for us, because we do get to glorify Christ in how we act and how we play. And honestly, it's important to win this game because we can just give it right back to the blessing that it was to us.
Praise God.
Praise God.
Uh,